exciting. This is going to be a wonderful conference, and the people that Kathleen and Suzanne have chosen are just very high quality, and so it's going to be an exciting time. The video is wonderful. I think it's marvelous, and it has a message, and that message it has to get out to the general public. I mean, people have to understand that they are in a situation right now where they can choose to have love, joy, and peace. All they have to do is to go ahead and accept it. And that means that if they can just understand, I mean, they know that they're going to be living after the body stops functioning. They realize that that's true, but at the same time, they don't themselves understand what it's like to live with that knowledge, to live with other people who have that knowledge. And so that this message is a wonderful message. And I think that the video gets it across, and I think the summit is going to get it across as well.
There is one thing that I want to say first, and that is, without Craig Hogan and AREI, this would not be possible. Right. And we wouldn't be here without him. So I just want to thank you, Craig, for everything that you're doing to make this happen. We appreciate you very much. Thank you.
And what about the accommodation?
We have the 133 rate for our attendees, and the rooms are normally 209 at that time.
It's magic when you bring people together under the one roof who all are interested in sharing their experiences. I think that's just the icing on the cake.
You know, you make a great point, Wendy. You know, we could do all of this online in this venue right here, but I feel as though people want to come together. They want to meet. They want to elbow each other during a talk and say, "Hey, did you hear that?" And have the hugs, have the interaction, and be in the same space with people. I think it's really important for our own growth and for fun. We will have a lot of fun at this weekend.
Fantastic. And Suzanne Giesman is joining you this time.
She will present twice during the summit, which is included in your pass. She'll do the Awakened Way, and she'll also do an hour with Sanaya. And then she'll do her third time will be on Sunday afternoon when she presents a 3-hour workshop on what you can expect from Suzanne. I mean, she is just not only a pro, but she was, you know, born for this, absolutely born for it.
And tell us about John Holland. I love John Holland. He's such a sweetheart.
He's amazing. He really cares about this event and being here. So Thursday night, he'll do a 2-hour platform demonstration followed by a book signing for his new book, Bridging Two Realms. And then Saturday night with George Noory, he's going to do The Power of the Soul, Inside Wisdom for an Outside World. And he'll do readings and provide mediumship readings and talking to the other side for some of our participants. And that includes our dinner gala event. So we'll be eating at the same time then as well.
It's lovely to see that I think you've got 2 young people there. You've got Josh Tongle, who I love, and Arizona Bell. I think it's really important that we can connect with the younger generation. Would you agree on that one?
I completely agree. They are our future. And so we want to bring them in. I wish that I had started at that age. I started way later than that. And getting them started earlier in self-care, self-love, high vibrational living, and focusing on, you know, I have to read this quote from Victor. There is an urgent need to educate the public on what the evidence shows really happens when we cross over and the implications of that for how we live our lives. That's the crux of this. And to get these millennials or even younger involved right now is our goal. First of all, I want to thank Sandra Champlain for also aligning with the Soul Summit. She cannot be there because she's got a catering event, but she's having our presenters on her radio show, which we really appreciate. I want to thank Craig again for everything that he has done in support of this. It has meant the world to us. And I want to thank Suzanne for being such a special and amazing mind in all of this. and to be able to see around those corners that we need in this type of a production.
And I'm just so excited that you're bringing new people who we haven't been exposed to before. That people want to be exposed to growth, to new things.
It is a delight to be able to see you and hear you speak. And Kathleen is brilliant. She has done a marvelous job with the conferences, and she is the